Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my workout routine. Let's do it. Okay, so I usually like to start out with the push-up. It's the basic one. All right, so I like to do about 10 or more than 10 whenever I get tired, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the next exercise that I'm currently doing is called the tricep dip. Tricep dips. It works. It's in the name. Works on your triceps, and yeah, I like to do this after I do the push-ups, and yeah, it's very effective so far, as you can see. And try to add this to your routine and see how it goes. All right. Okay, so the next exercise workout that I like to do are the squats. You'll see I'm gonna use a backpack. It's actually very heavy. I added lots of food items and books into it. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty heavy. So yeah, if home workouts can be easy, but you gotta make it tougher. Okay, let's get on with it. So for the squats, I like to do, I don't know, as much as I can till my legs give out, because it can be easy when you're starting it. So just I'll recommend, if you're beginning, about 20 reps, 2 sets, and give it a try. Okay, so this is it. 1 second. So I'm gonna take a break. It's very important to know when to take your break, okay? I can't keep myself. I mean, I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a 1 minute break, 30 seconds to 1 minute break, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So time for the sit-up. I find this one very easy and I love it, so let's get on with it. So when you're doing the sit-ups, if you can see, my legs are underneath the couch. So, or if you don't have a couch and you have a partner, have the person hold your feet, okay? And just to make you perform the squats, the sit-up much more effectively and much better. All right, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So we're doing 10 of these. Okay. All right, so I usually do more, but just for the sake of the video, I'm doing 10. Okay, and now we're gonna do, I like this one because it targets more on the abs. It's the Russian squat, Russian, whatever, some Russian thing. Okay, it's like this. All right, next up, we're doing some lunges. Okay, you'll see what I'm talking about when I do it. So, putting on my weighted backpack again, cause fun fact, your leg muscles are actually struggling in this, so they need much more heavier weight. I like to hold on to something when I'm doing the lunges, but well, there's nothing to hold on to right now, so I'll try not to fall. All right, now watch me and laugh. So one foot on the couch, and then just go down and up, down and up, down and up. Okay, so for the sake of the video, once again, I'm doing just 10. Okay, I usually do 50, but sometimes 100 on one leg. That's impressive, right? So yeah. Okay, how many have I done so far? I've lost count. I'm sure it's more than 10. Okay. All right. Now, for your right leg, do the same. You go down completely and go up. Okay. Make sure you're working the leg muscles. Okay, I don't know if I did more than 10, but I'm counting on you guys to do the math for me. So one exercise involves working on my biceps. Yeah, everyone knows it, right? It just involves lifting dumbbells or whatever. For now, I got this really awesome dumbbell, so just do about 10 of these, and if you can do more, yeah, do it, right? But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do 10. Yeah, most of it is gonna be 10. All right, just work it. Make sure you're flexing the arm well, so it's actually working your muscle. If your backpack is weird, you can turn it the other way and see which one works, right? Just make sure it's actually doing the work, and do the same for the left arm. All right. Exactly. It actually works for me. Yeah, I don't need to go to the gym anymore, right? Planet Fitness can take it. Whatever. So for the left arm, you can do about 10 also, and yeah. All right, here's the next workout for the abs. Okay, this is very effective. I must tell you, it's very effective. So this and this. All right, you wanna stay balanced, and one leg here and one leg here. So your back resting on the ground, and you bring your feet, your legs forward. Your right arm should touch your left leg, and your left elbow should touch your right thigh. Okay, if that makes sense. So sort of like this and this, back and forth. Okay guys, you made it to the end of the video. That was definitely exhausting, I know. I was definitely lying when I said 100. Okay, if you could tell, I was lying. But well, if you challenge me, I could do it. Anyways, I I hope you enjoyed, and please make sure to subscribe, okay? Keep staying fit. It's great. All right. Peace.